I was supposed to have an entryway video for you this week, but I don't. Instead, we're going to do a haul today. Okay, so my entryway video is probably going to come sometime next week. Fingers crossed, I'm hoping that it will. I'm still waiting on a couple items that have been delayed in getting to my house for me to finish that video for you. But instead I decided, why don't we just do a haul, and I'll show you some things that I have been gathering for spring and for the new year. So some of those things will be related to the entry decorating and redoing, and then some of those things will be for other things. So I think I will start with the Amazon stuff. Okay, the first thing that I want to show you is this little trivet. I saw this, I thought it was so beautiful. Look at that. I'm going to bring it closer there for you. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love the details on this. And it's just a little trivet, and I'm actually going to use it for a small spoon rest in my kitchen. I'm going to use it when I stir my coffee. I like to keep my spoon. I just keep it kind of to the side for the day, and then I just use that one spoon. It's just my spoon. I just think it's so nice to use pretty things in your kitchen when you're cooking or when you're making something. It just makes your day, feel just a little more special. This next piece that I found on Amazon, I love this bowl. Look at the scalloped edges on that. Isn't that gorgeous? So I ordered this one off of Amazon, but I can tell you that I was at Homegoods yesterday and I actually saw some of these at Homegoods. So you might want to check out Homegoods if you don't order from Amazon, or if for some reason you can't find it on Amazon. Check out Homegoods because they are selling something very similar to this. I just thought this was really pretty. You can always use a bowl as a catch-all. It has feet on it, you see, so it's not going to mess up your tables. And I actually currently have I am crocheting these little garlands, and I actually have my little crocheting stuff setting in this right now. That's what I'm using it for currently. But anyways, this was another great purchase. Really happy with it. Let's talk about this little duck. It's a little weighty. It's not too light. This little wooden duck is so cute. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to hold it up a little bit closer for you. It's got some really cute details on it. I love the color. This stain of wood is something that I just really love. It's the perfect color to me. So I go to antique places looking around, and I am on the hunt for a wooden decoy duck, and they're expensive. Not only are they expensive, but when I come across them, many times they're plastic, and then many times if it is a wood one, it isn't exactly what I'm looking for. So I don't really know how to explain it. I just know that when I have an idea in my head, and when I see it, I'll be like, that's it. That's what I want. But in the meantime, I found this really cute little one here on Amazon, and I can decorate with this. I can put it on a tray. I can do a vignette with it. I can put it up on my mantle. There's so many different things that you could do with this. So this is a great little decorating piece for the springtime. Okay, this next item I'm really excited to show you. This is related to my entryway redo, and I have been eyeing these for the longest time on Amazon. I was between this and the Ruggable company, and I decided to try the Amazon ones first. But this rug, this is a small rug. This will be going in my entryway. I hope you can see that. Kind of holding it up there for you to see it. This rug is so soft and it's so beautiful. It has a vintage look to it. It's washable. You can wash it. It has a low pile, so it's not going to get stuck under my doors or anything like that. This one's actually going to go in a different spot, but I didn't want them to be too thick. I didn't want anybody to trip on them. It has a rubber back to it, So it should be okay down on my tile floor. This is a small one that I've ordered, but I have a larger one coming, and I'm still waiting on that. As a matter of fact, I was just notified this morning that it was going to be another couple days. So that's why I decided to go ahead and do this haul video, because it's been a really long time since I've put a video out. So I wanted to kind of show you. I thought I'll just show everybody what I've got, some of the things I've gathered, and then you can get an idea of some of the videos that are coming up. Okay, next items. These were actually Christmas presents, and forgive me if I've showed these already. I may have, but I'm going to show them again. So I'll do this real quick. This book right here is called The Interior Design Handbook. There are no pictures really in this. It's mostly diagrams, but this is a wealth of information on design and organizing yourself for redoing a room in your house or your whole house or whatever. There's information in here on lighting. There's information in here on design, design concepts, design theories. Even though this is a readable book, and you don't actually necessarily have to read it cover to cover. You probably, you're going to read it. You could maybe pick out a section you want to read. I'm trying to read it cover to cover. That's just how I am. And I'm almost through it. But this has been a wealth of information, and I got this as a Christmas gift, and I just love it. Okay, the last Amazon piece is this Sunday Suppers book. I got this also as a gift, and at Christmas time. And I don't know if I've shown you this, but this is a great book. Let me just show you. It has beautiful pictures in it, and it has beautiful recipes. Um, just really wonderful ideas. A lot of the supper ideas are very healthy. And I just found this to be a beautiful book, beautiful pictures, great recipes. So I'm going to be using that this year. Okay, that was Amazon. So now I'm going to show you. I did go to Homegoods last night. And you may have seen I put up a short from Homegoods. I'm trying to take pictures of things in the store that I think might be interesting or that people might like as far as home decor or decorating goes. And so I have been putting up shorts that have pictures from different stores. I did say earlier that I was going to, I think I made a post about it. I said I was going to make another channel, and I did that, but I really found, I'm like, why am I doing this? This is just taking too much of my time. It was just useless to have a second channel just dedicated to that. I already have a base of subscribers and people who watch me here. So I just decided that it was better to just keep it on this channel. So if you did go to that channel and you did subscribe, I apologize. I actually got rid of that channel. So we're just going to do that here on this channel. I picked up this beautiful pillow, and I am just loving the colors on this, the blues. Again, they had the most gorgeous blue pieces at Homegoods yesterday. I'm talking dishes. They had some stackable boxes. They had some, I believe the word is chinoiserie pieces, vases there. They have a lot of the blue. If you are a blue and white person like I am, this is your time right now to go out and buy things that you love. So with this pillow, I love the stitching on this. I love these beautiful florals here. We've got a dark blue and a light blue, and this is going to go in my entryway. Again, that video hopefully will be coming out next week or the week after. I'm really hoping next week. So fingers crossed, like I said, that I get the other. I'm waiting on a frame because I want to hang a particular picture, and I'm waiting on another rug to come. And it's actually the main one, so I'm waiting on that. I wanted to show you this little picture. This is from Etsy, and this is also a Christmas gift that I got. And I am looking for a little frame for this. I have some ideas of what I want to do with it. I either want to hang it in a particular little place on the wall, or possibly maybe with a collection of other pictures, or I might want to get a little frame maybe that has a little chain and hang it. Not quite sure yet, but I loved this little picture of the water and the coast. Thought it was very pretty. It has the blues. It's kind of moody. I will try to link this for you and find the link for it, or at least the person who painted it, because I just there were other pictures too, and I think they're so cute. So I'll be using this spring. Okay, another thing that I purchased was a rack from World Market. I purchased it about, I'm going to say, a month ago. I was in the store, and it's an accordion style rack, and I just love it. I'm going to be using it again in my entry. Uh, so that was a nice purchase. I had seen it online, and I hadn't seen it in person, but I did happen to be in the store, and I found it, and I decided that I wanted to get that. It's really great. You can hang your hats on it or your scarves. You can actually use it to decorate too. So I'll probably do a little bit of decorating with it also. So that's another new purchase that I made. So I was in Bullseye's playground looking around, and sometimes that's hit or miss for me and mine. Either I get there too early or I get there too late. I don't know. It's interesting. I don't always time it right. But I found these little gold bunnies, and they're little. I mean, I wouldn't say they're incredibly light, but they're a little bit. They get a little bit of weight to them, but they're gold, and I thought that they would be great for some vignettes on a tray, either a tiered tray or a single tray. I know that tiered trays are kind of, people aren't doing as many of those. I still love them, but you could do any kind of vignette. I mean, a lot of people do single trays now, or like a round basket, or even on a shelf or mantle. These would be just perfect. So they were really inexpensive. I think this one might have been 5. I wish I could see because I don't have my glasses on. Hang on. Okay, that's better. I have my glasses on. Okay, $3. So this one was 3, and then I happen to know these two were $1 a piece. So cute little trio. We'll be using those for the spring. I do like bunnies. I do think they symbolize the spring. I do like inspirational stuff too. I actually have an idea for a little bit later on in the season of doing an inspirational style tier tray or single tray. I haven't, depends on how many items I come up with. Obviously, Easter is a religious holiday. It's about the resurrection. So I'm thinking if I can do an inspirational vignette, I would like to do that. And of course, I know the place I need to go for that. I haven't been there in a while, but I'm going to maybe take a look at a particular store in a week or two and see what they have that can help me make an inspirational tray. Or maybe I could DIY something. I don't know. And speaking of DIYs, uh, I went to the thrift store. I like to go to the thrift store. I've been there several times lately dropping stuff off. So I always pop in when I drop stuff off. And I have to say, I haven't found much. I was looking for a frame for a while. Like I said, I'm expecting a frame. I finally ordered from Amazon because I wasn't finding anything in the thrift store. I was looking to see if I could find something inexpensive, and I just wasn't finding anything. And I have a theory, and I don't know if my theory is right. My theory, you can tell me if I'm right or wrong. My theory is that a lot of people are selling things on Facebook Marketplace, and a lot of people are selling maybe vintage items on Etsy now and some of the other selling sites. If they, because it's very easy to take a picture of something and look at it and know what it could be worth. So I'm finding when I go into the thrift stores, I'm finding less and less of what I'm actually looking for. So I don't know. You can let me know if you're having those kind of things happen to you or what. I don't know, but I'd be curious to know if you're having a hard time finding things in the thrift store. Not necessarily the antique stores, because you can find things in the antique stores, but I mean like when you really want to try to find something and get a deal at the thrift store. But I did find this little cutting board here. I think it was $4. And it's nice. It has a nice weight to it, and it's very smooth. It's very smooth. So it's like somebody's already sanded it, or it doesn't need to be sanded or something. But this is going to make a great little DIY, and this is going to have to do with my kitchen. This will be another upcoming video. I'll be using my Iron Orchid Design stamps on this. So if that's something that you're interested in and you like it when I do those, look forward to that video. Okay, so I think I got everything: the rack, the pillow, the books, the rug, the little trinkets, the picture. I think that just about wraps it up for what I have as far as this haul goes. Gives you a little bit of an idea of what direction I'm going in the spring. And hopefully my other items are going to arrive here soon so that I can finish my entryway video, because I'm excited to get that done and show it to you. So I hope you've enjoyed this video today. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you've enjoyed listening to me today, or if you are interested in what I might be doing in the future. Give it a like if you enjoyed it. I'm going to have a list of the items in the description. I'm also going to try to list them in a comment too, because it's my understanding that some people might be having some trouble finding the links. Thank you so much again for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.